Behold the tool chest, Vanessa. Here we have the end wrenches. Metric, of course, because... Oh wait, actually I have standard over here too. These are the ones I just bought. Anyways, these are my metric flex wrenches. As you can see, they have a little flexible ratcheting thing on the end there. Let's see what else here. This is the 1/4 inch drawer. Got all my little 1/4 inch stuff here, as well as my Allen wrenches, my little 1/4 inch bits. Let's see what else here. 3/8 drawer. So little bits over here. 1/2 inch, the heavy duty stuff. Okay, let's see what else here. Got the sharp drawer, sharp stuff. Got the screwdrivers here, all happy. These are Phillips, of course. Let's see. Pliers right there. Got the cutting drawer, diagonals, and all those kind of things. Let's see what else. There's the heavy duty stuff down here. Got my torque wrenches, digital. My heavy duty 3/4 inch sockets for things. A few of my little air tools that I use all the time. Let's see here. Oh, these are some of the sets that I use. Anyways, you get the idea there. Let me see what else here. Just different stuff, hammers and pry bars and what have you. Got to have them all laid out just so. And what else? Oh, more bits, 1/4 inch stuff, drives. It's kind of miscellaneous stuff. Gotta have the locking pliers. I know you will agree with me how important locking pliers are. And files, really important. Punches, chisels, power center punch over there. Alright, so I think that's about it. Hope you have enjoyed the tour. Oh, and my 2 floor jacks, of course. Okay.